Good morning, brethren. I'm Bishop Art Esmalia. I'm from Lightcast, Manila. I'm the head pastor of the ministry of Lightcast here in the Philippines. By God's grace, in the recent past, we have planted 4 churches in Toong, Batangas, Imus, Cainta, and then Magallanes. And we are grateful and thankful for the way the Lord has provided the needs. And thank you for the pastors that the Lord has given us, even for Ate Grace, who help us a lot in establishing some of these churches. Now, we are thankful for the privilege of more expansion of the church plants. So please pray for us that there will be more workers available so that they're able to plant another church or churches. Again, in behalf of Lightcast Manila, Lightcast Ministries in the Philippines, happy 12th anniversary. I am Bishop Art. I am Lightcast.